This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Brookfield Infrastructure Corp and shows the practical steps. Brookfield Infrastructure Corp trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BIPC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by submitting an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BIPC to find the listing. Make sure to select the entry that matches Brookfield Infrastructure Corp to open its asset page. On the asset page, look for basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name and the BIPC ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and select the order type, then review the details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more information, check the description below.